Guess what? They have tailnecks to the boats. That's all we're found on eBay. Because the rocket pups is broken inside. The headlight is broken. I've run out of one. At Marshall's. I'll put in there. The new, brand new speaker. The new sound speaker. Listen to that. Yep. That's these kids on. And then the big front is slow. Busters. Yep, that is slow. That's mixed out. That's good. Yep. Next to the boats. Next sound works. Now I'm gonna put a new speaker. The sound works now. That sound gone. The sound is pushing gone. Yep. Pop is broken right there. I'm gonna have to get out all right. At Marshall's. There we go.